If a crack was filled or plastered over and has now opened up again, that deserves more attention. It tells us that whatever created the original movement may not have completely stopped. The original crack may simply have been filled and redecorated without the cause of the movement being identified. If the wall continues to move even slightly, the repair can split and the crack may reappear along exactly the same line. Sometimes that movement is relatively minor, such as normal seasonal movement or movement between different parts of the building. But a crack that repeatedly opens can also indicate an ongoing structural problem. Look at whether the crack is becoming wider or longer, whether the edges appear fresh, and whether there are other signs nearby. These might include sticking doors or windows, distortion around openings, or additional cracking in the same part of the building. It's also useful to check whether the crack changes over time. Taking clear photographs and measuring its width can help establish whether movement is still occurring. So, if you're concerned about a crack that keeps coming back, visit subsidenceuk.co.uk for help understanding what may be causing it and what your next step should be. Thanks for watching.